Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the shiny logo on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to adjust the background like so, and I'm just going to freeze frame it as well so I can adjust the duration. Add in your logo. You can use any logo that you want. And then to create the shine animation, copy and paste that logo. Go to mask and select the mirror. You're going to mirror it this way, and you're going to adjust the size of the shine. If I can just find it. Okay, here it is. Just going to make it just kind of small, and I'm going to feather it out by like a lot. Go to basic, and you are going to adjust the opacity a little bit here. I know you can't see it, but it's there. Place it up here, add a keyframe, and then like here you're going to get that mask and you're going to pull it down so it looks like there's a shine on it. And that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.